Most of us watch YouTube videos a lot or even every day. How about you knowing that you could watch a YouTube video and be paid? That's a brief about what we're going to do in today's video. By watching one video, you're going to earn 61 cents. Watching the second video, you will get rewarded 32 cents. Watching the third video, you will receive 47 cents, and so on and more. Using this method that is explained in today's video, you can earn $2.48 per minute just by watching YouTube videos, and this works in any nation, for example, United States of America, United Kingdom, Canada, India, UAE, and all other countries worldwide. And towards the very end of this video, I'll show you a bonus tip that can let you earn $600 per day in pure passive income working with this new web page. So the first step is to go to this site where you can make money by watching YouTube videos online. I'll be giving you the name of this website in a minute, but first I'd want to show you how it works. Keep watching till the end, because we are going to see the website we will be using to get a good amount of money on a daily basis. As you're watching videos such as commercial ads, YouTube videos, movies, and TV, or you can make $1 per refer anytime someone joins the website through using your link. And once you reach the minimum amount in your account, you may transfer the earnings to your bank account or PayPal accounts, and additional withdrawal methods are accessible here. This website has collaborated with over 1,500 brands, including the ones displayed here, so that they can bring you new released videos on a regular basis. You may learn more about this website by going up and choosing About US option in the upper right corner of the site. Now to get started with this website, simply click here. That's fantastic. And now let me prove how we may add even more money to our account. So according to what you can see on your left, there are 5 videos that we may view, beginning with the first. We will receive 61 cents for watching this film, which you can find on the right side of the screen. So once we press on the play button on this video, instantly an ad will pop up, so we will just close it and press on the play button once more. The video will start to play. Although we don't have to watch the entire video, we only have to watch the first 34 seconds as the video is playing. Stop and wait for the countdown timer, which displays the amount of duration remaining. When the seconds are over, we simply hit on the complete button under the video. Again and again an ad will pop up, so we will just close it. Then on our dashboard, a message will display that states successfully completed. You have earned 61 cents. All we have to do now is reload the website so that the money will be updated to your account, so we can see the amount in our account has become $5.61. Again, click on the second video. Instantly an ad will pop up, so we will just close it and hit the play button again. The video will begin to play. Simply wait 34 seconds for it until the time finishes. Afterwards, simply click on the complete button below the video. Instantly an ad will pop up, so we will just close it and click on the complete button and then refresh the website. We can see that my account balance is now $5.93. But you should be aware that you can only watch 5 movies in a 24-hour period. So if you click on the first or second video again, it will inform you that this video will be accessible after 24 hours. But don't worry, I'll teach you how to make $2.48 per minute over and over again. But before that, subscribe to my channel to stay updated whenever I drop a new video about making money online by money flow with the simplest and easiest way of earning money. Turn on your post notification to be the first one using the method and earning a good amount of money by new and easy tutorials. So step 2 for earning $2.48 over and over again by using these 5 videos is to register multiple accounts on this website. For example, you can set up 5 to 10 accounts. One account will get you 61 cents plus 32 cents plus 47 cents plus 52 cents plus 56 cents for a total of $2.48 in no time at all. So if you have 10 accounts, you will receive a sum of $24.80 in just a few minutes, easily and quickly. Don't worry if you don't have many email addresses. Here's an additional tip especially for you, and there is no need to create many accounts. But let me show you something quickly before we continue. First, I must log out of my account, then we can begin with the procedure of creating a new account by selecting on sign up again. On the next page, we'll simply type in a different first name, last name, birthday, and gender when we reach the email address box. Here's what you need to do if you only have one email address. A while back, we moneyflow128@gmail.com. If we attempt to use it once again, the site will notify us that the email is taken. Try another. And here's the catch. Everything you need to do is place a dot right here, and it will be approved. As you can see, we have just made a fresh new account having the same email address. In fact, you can insert a dot anywhere on the email address, such as here, as well here, or even here. All of these variations will be approved, and the good news is that any emails sent to the email addresses I just showed will be forwarded to the original email address, moneyflow128@gmail.com. This is the way Google works, and it is a method that many people are unaware of in order to get $600 in pure passive income. In step 3, I would like you to click on the top right corner of my account and hover your mouse over my account, then select the referral option from there too, and we are going to take into this web page where you can see that every time someone signs up using the link that we provided, we will be paid $1 per referral. The name of the website is wintub.com. You will find the link to this website down for the description of this video, so you can quickly find it and start earning money while using it. I will proceed to reveal a secret extra tip that you may utilize to catch the attention of thousands of people online, who will sign up using your referral link, allowing you to earn $600 a day with entirely passive income. But now, before I show you how this works, give it a thumbs up. And if you are interested in making money online, subscribe to my channel. Okay, so for this particular step, let's visit facebook.com and look to Make Money Online in the search bar and hit enter. Next, let us scroll down a bit and choose the groups option from right here, and then choose public groups right here. That will help us find multiple public groups that are available for anyone to access. And the good thing is that we do not require permission from anyone for joining the groups, and we are able to join any one of these groups. As an example, if I click on this group right here, I'll be taken to this page where I can view a lot of posts with different offers to make money online. All you've got to do is publish a post similar to this one here. As you can see, this person created this post a short while ago, and they received quite a lot of likes and comments on the post from individuals who would be interested. So if only 600 people out of the hundreds of thousands of people in this group sign up using your referral link on wintub.com, you will get $600. Now let me teach you how to make the finest Facebook post for our referral link in this group. So let's click right here and I'll write it down. I got $100 from the site by simply viewing advertisements. It is completely free. Just leave a comment below and I will give you the details. And now let me tell you about the image. Go to Google and search for WinTube proof of payment. Let us now click on the Photos option to examine all of the photographs that contain the evidence of payment from WinTube. Considering that we mentioned an $100 payment in our post, let's choose this picture right here with $100 as payment proof. Save this image to your laptop or mobile device. Then return to Facebook and go right here to upload the file we just downloaded. This is how the post will appear. You can repeat this process in many different forms of money online Facebook groups, and I promise that over time you will earn a lot of money. Perhaps even more than $600 a day, and in some cases, even more so, start doing it today. This implies you'll earn between $600 and $1,000 every month from simple Facebook postings. Now to withdraw your money from this site, just click the withdraw option when you hover your mouse over my account once more. That will take you to this screen where you can see that there are essentially 4 methods available for you to do so. Western Union has a $100 minimum transaction limit. WebMoney and PayPal both have a minimum of $80, and even Payoneer has a minimum threshold limit of $80. Once you reach the required threshold limit, all you need in order to proceed is choose the withdraw button, set up your account, and then you will receive the earnings from watching videos into your account. If you regularly apply both of the techniques in this video, then you know that earning $80 is very simple. Subscribe to MoneyFlow to stay updated, give it a thumbs, turn on your notifications, and share it with your friends if they are interested about making money online fast and easy. Watch this video. If you want to make more money from another website by only listening to music and downloading it, then what are you waiting for? Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.